Which, I'm telling you, that makes a difference in the show you're going to see tonight. If you guys keep this up, we're going to have a good night. Matter of fact, that's actually my job. That's the whole reason I'm here, is to try and get you guys warmed up for a great Chris Jansen show. So I'm going to let you in on a secret. If you guys just, I'm telling you, be mighty tonight, and you will get a show you will never forget. It's the truth. I'm going to try another one. I wrote this one with Kenny Chesney in mind. We got any Chesney fans? I know they sent this song to him, but I don't know if he liked it or not. Y'all know that song he's got, Wild Child, she's a wild child, whatever that is, something like that. This is my version of that. Stay in tune, Martin. This guitar's named Martin, by the way, because it's a Martin guitar. You ever been the person that screams out "Freebird" at a concert? Freebird! This is an appropriate time for you to tell me to play Freebird, because this song is called Freebird Again. So on the count of three, say Freebird! 1, 2, 3. This is the first time I've ever played this song. We were thick as thieves, we did everything together. A modern day Bonnie and Clyde, only better. She was good at trouble, and I was bad at saying no. She lighted that fuse, and I just let it go. You know what I mean? In a town this small, there's only so much you can do. It ain't good on a rambler's heart when it's made for growing roots. There ain't no way to lock a free bird in a cage. So one night she spread her wings and flew away. Yes, she LA was shining bright in New York City. Yes, she's soaking up that summer sun somewhere on the coast. Yes, she MIA, another vagabond gypsy, riding down that winding road just to see where it goes. If I ever get so lucky, she'll catch that southern wind, and I'll get to see my free bird again. I bet she's seen a sunset you can't forget, chased a million shooting stars through the big sky west. I hope she finds everything she's looking for, so she don't have to wander anymore. Yes, she LA was shining bright in New York City. Yes, she's soaking up that summer sun somewhere on the coast. Yes, she MIA, another vagabond gypsy, riding down that winding road just to see where it goes. If I ever get so lucky, she'll catch that southern wind, and I'll get to see my free bird again. Yes, she LA was shining bright in New York City. Yes, she's soaking up that summer sun somewhere on the coast. Yes, she MIA, another vagabond gypsy, riding down that winding road just to see where it goes. If I ever get so lucky, she'll catch that southern wind, and I'll get to see my free bird again. I'll get to see my free bird.